Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Debbie Cynthia from 5 APC class. Today I want to present about introduction to ethics. What is ethics? Ethics is a system of moral principles that influence how people make, describe, and live their lives. Ethics deals with that is good for individual and society and is also described as a moral philosophy. The term ethics comes from the word Greek ethos, which can mean habit, character, or disposition. Characteristic of ethic issue. There are several ethic characteristics. 1. Ethic is closely related to human behavior and action. 2. Ethics still apply even though no one is winning it. 3. There is a perspective from the human inside. 4. Ethics are absolute or absolute. Moral theory. Moral theory is the behavior of an individual based on the value of language value that are in the environment in which he or she lives. So individual can be said to have a moral theory when the individual is already living by obeying the applicable laws of law. This theory holds that moral reasoning, which is the basis of ethical behavior, has a stage of development with an identified level. Structure of moral action. Attitude can be expressed in the form of words or action which are reaction response of his attitude towards object, whether in the form of people, event or situation. Consequences are the result of an action done. This consequence is closely related to the law of cause and effect. The major kinds of moral theory. Consequence-based theory determines the good or bad of an action by examining its consequences. Deontology theory determines the good or evil of action by examining the action themselves. 3. Virtue-based theory or approaches emphasize the importance of moral education because the characters of virtue must be developed while young. Theoretical ethics versus participial ethics. Ethics as participial are value and moral norms insofar as they are implicit or not implicit, even though they should be implicit. Theoretical ethics are the ethical quality of an act or action obtained by achieving the goal of the act itself. Okay, I think enough. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.